Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss on how you can prepare for AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. This exam is known as one of the most difficult IT certifications to acquire. But it's also one of the most sought-after certifications in the industry. So let's get started. Here you can see the list of topics we are going to cover in this video. We will start with the basic information required to begin your preparation, and then move on to the study materials and important topics which will help you in your preparation. The exam is structured with 1. 75 multiple choice and multiple response questions. 2. 180 minutes completion time. 3. 75% pass mark. With a little bit of easy math, you can quickly work out that you have around 2.5 minutes to complete each question. For easier certifications that might be plenty of time, but if you've seen examples of professional level AWS exam questions, you'll know they can be long and complex. With a higher pass mark than the associate levels too, this makes passing this exam a challenging experience. Types of questions asked? The exam guide lists 2 types of questions that are on the examination. 1. Multiple choice. Has 1 correct response and 3 incorrect responses. 2. Multiple response. Has 2 or more correct responses out of 5 or more options. Recommended knowledge and experience. 1. 2 or more years of hands-on experience designing and deploying cloud architecture on AWS. 2. Ability to evaluate cloud application requirements and make architectural recommendations for implementation, deployment, and provisioning applications on AWS. 3. Familiarity with AWS CLI, AWS APIs, AWS CloudFormation templates, the AWS Billing Console, and the AWS Management Console. 4. Explain and apply the 5 pillars of the AWS well-architected framework. 5. Design a hybrid architecture using key AWS technologies. Course outline. Domain 1, Design for Organizational Complexity, which comprises of 12.5% weightage in exam. Domain 2, Design for New Solutions, which comprises of 31% weightage in exam. Domain 3, Migration Planning, which comprises of 15% weightage in exam. Domain 4, Cost Control, which comprises of 12.5% weightage in exam. Domain 5, Continuous Improvement for Existing Solutions, which comprises of 29% weightage in exam. 5 tips to pass AWS certifications in first attempt. First, passing marks for the AWS Certified Solution Architect exam varies daily. It could be 60% or 72% or even more, but you should always prepare for 75% to pass the exam on the very first attempt. Second, preparation time mostly depends on experience level. If you have some AWS experience under your belt, then 2 to 3 weeks of preparation is enough, but if you are a complete beginner to AWS, then 4 to 6 weeks is a reasonable time. Third, hands-on lab exercises are a must if you don't want to become a paper-certified AWS developer or solution architect. All the things you will learn and earn via certification also need a backup of hands-on experience. Fourth, join the courses which are most up-to-date and also include lab exercises. Since AWS is still evolving and there is a new feature coming up daily, it's essential to choose the course which is not most up-to-date, not just in terms of the certification syllabus and curriculum but also with AWS feature. Fifth, solve as many practice questions as possible. This is by far the most important tip. Since you are going to appear for an exam, where you need to solve questions in a limited time, you got to do practice to be able to read, understand, and solve those problems quickly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.